Service management software plays a crucial role in your business, and choosing the right app can be a make or break decision. Today, we're going to have a look at Jobber. We're also going to have a look at ZenMaid and see which one you should be using for your service business. Let's check them out. First of all, jumping into Jobber, scheduling and dispatching. So Jobber allows you to create schedules and dispatching jobs seamlessly. You can easily assign specific tasks to specific team members, which ensures that nothing gets overlooked and everybody takes responsibility for a particular task. The software also provides customizable invoicing options, and this also is supported by online payments. Your customers can pay immediately, which really helps improve your business's cash flow and can reduce those late payments. With a fantastic CRM, Jobber also helps you manage client interactions and stores important customer information for your use. This enhances the communication and builds better relationships with your customers over time. Jobber's mobile app also enables field teams to access all the necessary information. This flexibility really means that your team can be updated on job statuses, and you can really capture customer signatures in real time. It also has a built-in time tracking feature, which helps you ensure that all the hours worked are documented accurately. The data can be used for invoicing, improving overall project efficiency, and a whole lot more. Jobber also provides detailed reports on your business performance. You can analyze all your metrics such as revenue, profitability, and job completion rates to make data-driven decisions instead of guessing in the dark. One or two of the drawbacks, however, with Jobber is the cost. So Jobber can be slightly pricey compared to some of the other service management tools in its sector. Also, smaller businesses or startups might find it slightly challenging to fit that into their budget without compromising essential features. Essentially, not everything is offered with the free package. Also, you may find that it's quite a complex user interface. It's got a lot of features, so if you are new to this type of software, it might be a bit of a steeper learning curve. Jumping into ZenMaid now. So ZenMaid is actually specifically designed for the cleaning industry, okay? So although it may be able to use it like within other industries, it is specifically designed for the cleaning industry. So it offers features tailored to this unique need. It focuses on just those needs, and it ensures that all functionalities within the cleaning industry align perfectly with your specific business requirements. The platform also allows you to easily set up and manage reoccurring appointments, and this is especially beneficial for cleaning businesses with regular weekly or even monthly clients. You don't have to manually manage all of your bookings. These reoccurrence can really help you here. ZenMaid also provides a client portal. For me, a client portal is always a fantastic tool. Your customers can manage their own bookings and they can see their service history. This transparency really enhances customer satisfaction, engagement, and it allows your customer to be more interactive instead of requesting information from your business and then essentially wasting time giving that information to them. One or two of the drawbacks of ZenMaid is the limited integrations. Now, if you are using one or two tools that are not featured in ZenMaid, you may have to integrate some of those tools, and they may not actually have one of these third-party applications for you to actually link. So that might be a bit of a problem. Also, because it is specifically for the cleaning industry, there are some advanced features that it kind of lacks. It kind of lacks the operational features. So companies with more complex needs might find it a little bit insufficient. Although both of these software platforms offer fantastic features, you got to understand that as an individual, you need to assess your personal needs and then make a decision thereafter. If this video was helpful, please drop us a like and share it with a friend. I will see you next time.